many times we are given a task to do and we become worried about how we are going to fulfill the task, whether it is at home or at work or elsewhere. Something that is on our shoulders and we wonder, how is this going to happen? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teaches us how to calm ourselves down, how to relax, how to be content while you are fulfilling this beautiful task. And what is this? If you look at Surah Taha, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talks about a huge burden that He placed on the shoulders of Musa alayhi salatu wasalam. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says between verses 25 and 28 of the same surah, قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Amazing verses. He said, "O my Rabb, ishrah li sadri, make clear for me my chest," which means make it easy for me, make me strong, strengthen me. Ishrah li sadri wa yassir li amri, make easy this task for me, my task, make it easy for me. Wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli, and untie the knot on my tongue so that they understand what I am saying. He made this dua. We are taught we can repeat the same dua whenever we are tasked to do something. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Especially when you're asked to speak to people, when you're asked to say something, it is very important you hand your affairs to Allah. You say a short prayer for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so that Allah will help you, and you then be calm and relax. Allah will take care of things. So Musa alayhi salatu wasalam was granted the dua. He was very calm, very relaxed. He was able to face the Pharaoh and ultimately succeed. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us success.